Hello everybody. I know it's been quite a while since you've seen me or I've posted any videos, but there's just been a lot going on. To pick up where I left off, first I got sick, and I was sick for about 2 weeks, so I didn't want to do anything, and then I kind of lost my momentum. I kind of lost my momentum with things, and then what else happened? I don't even remember, it's been so long, but let me just kind of do a recap of some of the things that I didn't finish doing videos for. With the dome home, I am no longer thinking about purchasing that. The guy just wasn't budging on his price, and there was too many other behind the scene issues with that when it came to the county and all that. But I think it's still available if any of you are interested in it. And let's see what else. The pond. I never finished the pond. Donnie accidentally ran over the pond liner and cracked it and broke it, so I couldn't finish that. What else was there? Oh, the tiny house makeover with the front yard and everything. That I ended up losing footage from when I finished that, so I didn't film anything else with that. And what else was there? So the dome home, the tiny house makeover, the pond. Oh, my little camper. I did finish that, and I will be showing you videos of that here coming up, so you can see the makeover on the tiny little A-frame camper that I had bought a while back. And as you're probably wondering, you see that I'm sitting in a different spot. This is actually another camper that I purchased and am currently living in and at a campground. And yeah, I'm doing a whole big renovation with this, which I will be putting videos out of that soon to come. But yeah, that's kind of, I can't remember what else there was. You know, if you can think of something that you had previously watched and I didn't finish giving you updates on it, or put a finishing video out for it, let me know in the comments. But other than that, that's kind of where things are right now. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you the video of this new camper when we first picked it up. Down here at the old Walmart.
We're gonna make sure we can do this here.
So there was a lot of background music going on when we were recording this video, so I have to do a voiceover. As soon as you walk in the door there to the right, you have the flat screen TV, and it comes with a radio with surround sound speakers, 3 in the front, and there are 2 in the back there. And then there's 2 speakers on the outside as well. Then it comes with the flat screen TV on a swivel, which I think is probably like a 26-inch TV. I'm not sure exactly. And then you have this divider that separates the living room from the bedroom. These curtains that you can close as well. Inside here you have a queen size bed with a ton of storage. You have drawers down below. And then you have the cabinets up above all the way around, and you have a drawer on the other side of the bed. Also have speakers inside here from the surround sound, as well as an outlet and cable hookup. Then you walk into the living room area and the kitchen area. And this is a pull-out, kind of like a futon. I think it might be close to a full size, but it's not very long. So if you're taller than, I would say, 5 feet, you're not going to fit there. And then I was having a little bit of trouble pushing it back in. It was a lot easier to pull out than it was to push back in, but Oh, technical difficulties there. I finally got it. Oh, yep, okay. I think we're good. Underneath here is all the mechanics for the slide out and the water hoses. Under the sink, you have a bunch more storage and a bunch of crap that I eventually ended up throwing out. You have the nice big double sinks and a microwave. Also comes with a hood and a 3-burner propane stove with a cute little oven. Lots more storage for silverware, and those don't open, they're screwed shut. More storage here for canned goods or spices or whatever you want to put in there. Really deep storage up above the stove. Then over here on this side you have the dinette, which the table for is back in the back on the other bed. But this also converts into another sleeping area. And you just have more storage underneath. There's a drawer on this side that pulls out, and then on the other side you have a door that opens with more storage area in there. And there was already a 2-burner electric stove that came in handy, which I use a lot because I don't really like using the propane stove, but maybe I'll get used to it. Over here, more storage. This camper just has a ton of storage. Now working our way to the back, you have a brand new Dometic AC unit, which is central. It has all those vents that go throughout the whole camper. I have a nice size Dometic fridge and freezer. Having a little trouble. You gotta push that little button in order to open it. Then back here we have a bunk room. Oh, this is Donnie explaining to me that you can run the fridge on either electric or propane, depending if you're at a campground or boondocking. Then you have the single bunk up top, and then you have, I would say it's kind of in between a twin and a full-size bed in the back. Underneath that bed is a ton of storage as well. Then you have your toilet and shower bath area in here with your max fan, which isn't currently working, but we're gonna get that fixed. This tiny little shower that I barely fit in. Donnie does not fit in it at all, but it's cute and I like it. And then outside of that you have your sink area. And you have some storage down below. And then you have more storage above the sink in the medicine cabinet. And then you have another storage spot to hang clothes or linens or anything like that. Coats or whatnot, which we don't use very much of those down here in Florida. And then a bunch more storage above the dinette area. And that is about it. We'll go take you outside. So we're just out here at the property right now. We are boondocking. We have the generator going, which is running the AC in the fridge right now. All the lights and TV and pumps and everything like that, they're all running off the 12-volt system. But just want to show you guys around the outside of it. Looks so cute and cozy in there with the lights on. Let me turn you around. So we got the exterior over here. This is 27 foot. It's a 2008 Rockwood Ultralight. Let me step up here. Back there is the master bedroom that I showed you earlier. And you got this side over here. It's got one slide out on the side. It's got a brand new Dometic AC unit, which is working right now, and we have the AC running just off of this 2000 watt Honda generator right here. Got this nice little rack on the back here. This right here is that back bunk bedroom in there. Did it kick off or?
Yeah, it keeps breaking.
So the generator is not going to run the AC system. Just isn't going to cut it. Hey, Banny. So this TV right here runs off the 12-volt system. The surround sound radio runs off the 12-volt as well. And I don't know if I showed you this before. I think I did, but you have the surround sound speakers there. You have them out there.